Have you ever felt that irresistible pull, the yearning to break free from the ordinary and step into a world brimming with the unknown? That, my friends, is the spirit of adventure calling. It whispers in the rustling leaves of ancient forests and roars in the crashing waves against rugged coastlines. It's a call to explore, to discover, to truly. This guide is your passport to a world of excitement. I'll take you on a whirlwind tour of destinations so captivating, they'll leave you breathless. From the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas to the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean, we'll uncover hidden gems and celebrate iconic landmarks, all in the name of adventure. So buckle up and get ready to be inspired. Your next adventure awaits. First stop, the Himalayas. Imagine standing at the roof of the world surrounded by towering peaks that pierce the sky. The air is thin, but the feeling is exhilarating. Trekking through the Himalayas is a challenge, but the reward is a glimpse into a world of pristine beauty and ancient cultures. Next, we journey to the vibrant landscapes of Costa Rica. This Central American gem is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and adrenaline junkies alike. Zipline through lush rainforests, surf world-class waves, and come face-to-face with sloths, monkeys, and exotic birds. Our final destination takes us to the mystical land of Jordan. Explore the lost city of Petra, carved into sheer rock faces, a testament to the ingenuity of a bygone civilization. Float in the Dead Sea, a surreal experience unlike any other. Jordan is a land of ancient history, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. Before you embark on your grand adventure, here are a few tips to ensure a smooth and unforgettable journey. Pack light but smart. Choose versatile clothing and essential gear that can withstand various climates and activities. Research your destination thoroughly. Learn about local customs, visa requirements, and any necessary vaccinations. Embrace the local culture. Try new foods, learn a few basic phrases in the local language, and connect with the people you meet. Most importantly, be present. Put down your phone, disconnect from the digital world, and truly immerse yourself in the experience. These moments of genuine connection and discovery are the heart and soul of adventure. Section 4. Embrace the unexpected. Remember, travel is not always about sticking to a rigid itinerary. It's about embracing the unexpected detours, the spontaneous encounters, and the moments that take your breath away. Don't be afraid to stray from the beaten path, to get lost in the moment, and to let serendipity be your guide. Some of the most cherished memories are often born from these unscripted moments. The chance encounter with a local who shares their culture and stories, the hidden gem of a restaurant tucked away on a quiet side street, the breathtaking sunset witnessed from an unexpected vantage point. These are the experiences that will stay with you long after you return home. Section 5, ready for adventure? Your journey starts now. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of adventure that awaits. From the soaring Himalayas to the lush rainforests of Costa Rica and the ancient wonders of Jordan, the possibilities for exploration are endless. Are you ready to answer the call of adventure? Check out our travel products and start planning your next unforgettable journey today. The world is waiting to be explored.